Adobe Illustrator. Rectangle tool. Let's begin with the rectangle tool. The rectangle tool is used to create rectangles and squares. Select the rectangle tool from the Tools panel. You can also press the M key on your keyboard to activate the rectangle tool. Now move your cursor to the artboard. Click and drag to draw a rectangle. Release the mouse button when you reach the required size. The rectangle is now created. To create a perfect square, hold the Shift key while dragging. Shift constrains the proportions, keeping the width and height equal as you draw. You can also create a rectangle with exact dimensions. Instead of dragging, simply click once on the artboard. The rectangle dialog box appears. Here, you can enter an exact width and height. For example, enter 200 pixels for the width and 200 pixels for the height. Click OK. Illustrator creates a perfect 200 pixel square. Drawing from the center. There is another useful technique when creating shapes. Hold the Alt key while dragging. This allows you to draw the shape outward from its center. You can also combine Shift and Alt. Shift maintains equal proportions, while Alt draws the shape from the center. This combination is useful when you need to create a perfectly centered square or another proportional shape.